So at this point, I haven't washed my hair in over a month. I'm almost 1 year post relaxer, and this is the worst state my hair has ever been in. Ugh, let's get into it. Hey, my name is Sharon, and my hair is trash. For real, let me stop. No, let's be for real. Hey, lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today we are talking about my extremely damaged hair, my setbacks, where I've been, and what I'm going to do. What's the game plan to get my hair back to health? If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on IG at Love Sharon Pratt. So let's talk about this hair. So I'm working on freshly washed hair at this point. And I'm going to detangle, blow dry, moisturize, and cornrow my hair. So my hair has been washed, it has been deep conditioned, and now we're at the point where I'm going to blow dry my hair to cornrow it because we are a wig girly. We are living our best wig life. That's all we use, that's all we wear is a wig because the current state of my hair, that's all I can do unless I big chop. So I haven't had a relaxer in almost a year. So I am almost 1 year post relaxer. So I'm about to blow dry my hair with my Revlon brush blow dryer. And I don't know if y'all know, but I've heard some bad things about this brush. Like the brush catches on fire. It exploded once. So I think they did like a recall or they're not making this brush anymore. So you saw me. I did a little prayer because my brush still works perfectly. So I'm going to keep using it, but I'm going to pray over it every time, okay? But yeah, so just wanted to explain that. I will be 1 year at the end of March. So that's the last time I got a relaxer. And I haven't gotten a relaxer since then because my hair and the state of my hair has been so bad. So there's two things. My hair is over processed and under processed. So we are working with two different textures. I have ends that are very relaxed, very straight. Then I have under processed hair that is giving a natural type of blowout type of feel. Then I have relaxed hair again. And then I have my new growth. So that is what I've been dealing with for the past year. And I've been cutting my hair off throughout the year. So I've been trimming and cutting it. So it's consistently staying in a bob. And you'll see that once I blow out all my hair, you'll see that it's in a bob. So obviously I've been cutting my hair because there's no point of trying to grow it out. Length is not the goal anymore. Health is the goal. So there's no point of keeping dead hair. So that's why I am consistently cutting my hair. So when my hair is wet, the overprocessed pieces feel very mushy, lifeless, dead, so they have to go. So, what caused the damage to my hair? It would be going to a hairstylist that wasn't well versed in dealing with relaxer stretches. I like to stretch my relaxers out 13 weeks, and so that's a lot of new growth. So I felt as though my stylist wasn't experienced, and you need to be experienced and you need to know how to identify the new growth and relaxed hair so there isn't a mark of demarcation, which can cause a lot of breakage and hair issues. So that is one. Also, high temperature heat on the flat iron as well. Blow drying and flat ironing and relaxing on the same day, way too much heat. Wearing small knotless boho braids for too long didn't help either. And lastly, not being consistent with my regimen. So washing, deep conditioning, giving myself protein treatments, moisturizing. The lack of care also contributed to the ruin of my hair. The good thing is, look at that new growth. My hair that is growing in is super healthy and full, and so I'm grateful for that. But do you see the bob? So it doesn't look too bad. So let's get into what we're going to do to get our hair back to health. So what I'm going to do is absolutely nothing. I'm going to wash, deep condition, protein treat, and braid my hair. That's it. And we're going to wear wigs. We're going to love our wigs. We're going to build our wig collection. And in the meantime, we're going to continue to chop off these ends and just grow our hair. So at this point, we're transitioning to a natural until our next relaxer. Comment down below any hair care tips. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can join me on this healthy hair journey. And with that, I'll say goodnight. I love ya.